Number 4 is a division problem. So for this one, remember when you're dividing fractions, you're going to flip the second fraction and then you're going to change it into multiplication. So before I factor anything, I'm going to go ahead and do that just so I don't forget. So this changes to multiplication, and then you flip the fraction, and you don't change anything else about it. You just change the position of the numerator and denominator. Now this question really becomes just like the last one we did, where you want to factor everything. You don't need to get a common denominator. So this first numerator, be careful, make sure you put the 5s first. It's an easy thing to mix up. Now in the denominator, we can just take out a 3, leaving us with 2x minus 1. Nothing cancels out so far. Move on to the second one, 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. So we got difference of squares up there. And then the denominator, we're going to have to split the middle again. So we're looking for numbers that multiply to give us negative 10, that add to give us negative 9. So there's your pair. And then factor by grouping. We can take out an x, leaving us with 2x plus 1. Drop down the 5 and the negative, and we're left with 2x plus 1 there as well. So the denominator factors into x minus 5 and 2x plus 1. Once everything's factored, look to cancel. So the 2x minus 1s will cancel each other out. The 2x plus 1s will cancel each other out. And then we're left with, we have this 5 minus x and x minus 5. But they're very close. Basically, it's just to factor out a negative out of one of them. So say I choose to factor a negative out of the one up top. I'm going to put the negative out top, and really what that's going to do is flip that, so I can cancel those out. So you can leave your answer like this, or you could even flip-flop the x plus 5 if you want, or you could distribute the negative in. I think on the review the answer is written like this, but really either answer is acceptable as long as you have that negative out front, and if you choose to put the negative up top with the 5 plus x, make sure that's in parentheses if you don't distribute it.